Welcome to the 2019 Holiday Card Series. This video will show you how to make this simple and elegant snowman holiday greeting card. Here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, trace over the lines using your silver pen. Then switch over to your thin black pen and outline all of the silver lines that you had just previously drawn. This is quite a time-consuming step, but I find it really makes the design pop and really outlines the kind of snowflake motif and design that make up the snowman. Once you have the body of the snowman complete and all of the silver outlined in black, go up and outline the hat. And then, once you have the hat outlined, switch over to a slightly thicker pen or continue using the same thin pen to color it in. So the final steps for this card involve some glitter paper. I cut a small piece and I added that to the brim of the hat. Then I moved on to the final step of this card, which is coloring in the scarf. And then I used my scissors to cut some very small, thin strips of the same red glitter paper that I'd used for the hat to place kind of stripes on the scarf. Once I had all the strips cut out, I laid them out where I wanted them on the scarf. And then I went in with my glue and I glued on the brim of the hat and all of those small little strips on the scarf. Once the glue is dry, this simple and elegant snowman holiday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.